I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the mesh and tools so measurement gives repeatable results. Use a calibrated microscope or a 10x loop with a stage micrometer. Once set, place the cleaned mesh flat under the lens. You count openings across a known distance, usually 1 cm or 1 inch, so you can convert to mesh count. Make sure to remove distortion by holding the mesh taut and perpendicular to the optical axis. This first step prevents systematic error and speeds the rest of the process. You now perform the core measurement. Count the openings across the chosen distance at 3 separate locations. Once done, average the counts to reduce random error. Convert that average to standard units, openings per inch or per centimeter for mesh count. Then calculate aperture by measuring pitch, center-center spacing, and subtracting wire diameter. This gives the clear opening. Make sure to verify wire diameter with calipers. If values disagree by more than a few percent, repeat count. You finish by documenting mesh count, aperture size, wire diameter, and the measurement method so others can reproduce it. Once documented, compare your numbers to the manufacturer spec or a reference standard to decide acceptability. If results seem inconsistent, troubleshoot. Make sure the optics are calibrated, the sample lies perfectly flat, and lighting doesn't cast shadows. A single tip: if readings vary widely, re-clean the mesh and remeasure at more locations until values converge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.